Alright, this is what events look like when they come in the package. Just a big plastic case, and I don't know, it just protects your lens or your goggles pretty nice. And then you got your events. Okay. So, alright, here's the events. It comes with a pair of lenses for like a visor type of thing. I mean, it's not like it protects your head as well, but like right here there's these little holes, and the sun, when you're playing, it's really sunny. And then you got the fog lenses, which it gets really, like, you can't really see much, and it just gets this glare on there, so this kind of helps. But if you wanted more protection, just use one of these type of lenses if it's really sunny or whatever. But I'd rather use this one because it protects your head as well. So yeah, and then those, just there's a little clip like that, and you just put it through the side of the ear flaps right here, and they stay on pretty well. Okay, so it comes with this little case, or this little bag for your lenses, microfiber cloth bag. What else does it come with? It comes with a little manual. Shows you how to take apart the lenses and stuff. But I'm going to show you how to take apart the lenses. Okay, so what you're going to do is, there is a little, try to get this on better view, right here there is a little clip. Take that out, looks like that. There's one on both sides. And then they say right, or R for right and L for left, so just keep all your stuff in like a little pile for which side is which. Right, then next you're gonna wanna, stretch out this band right here as far as you can. Okay, now take them through the little holes right there on both sides, so on the outside. Alright, now start with the left side. Just push it through as far as you can, that little hole right there, and then you're going to want to turn it to the left. I mean, right. Hang on. Yeah, it's to the right. Okay. And then you gotta turn it till it gets even with both things, and then you just push it out. And then that's just what this is right here. And it says L on there, so left stuff. Alright, now you got one side off. Now you gotta do the other side. Right side's down. Now you got your ear flaps and your back strap. The back strap looks pretty cool, I think. They're really easy to clean apart too. Clean. So just leave that there. Now take apart the lenses or take them off. There's your lenses. There's the goggles. Now you can clean them. Take a microfiber cloth and just wash it all around. The material used for like right here is, I don't know, it's kind of a plastic-y material. I mean, I get a lot of bounces from just from the cheeks, like right here, not so much, but like kind of on the sides, you get a lot of bounces, which is nice. But I've gotten hit right here before, and it does get a lot of pain in your mouth, but it's still good. And talking, yelling to your teammates with these goggles on, it's not that bad, but because there's no holes right here on the sides that go up to your ears, so it can hurt your ears a little bit, like if you scream it loud, but usually it's good enough. The spongy material on the outside is really comfortable on your face. I think the lenses, or the fog lenses that they give you, are pretty nice, what it looks like. Kind of foggy, but when you get it into the sun, it's pretty nice. It's snowing outside. And then I bought these off of A&S Gear, and they didn't come with free the clear lenses as well, which kind of made me mad, but it's because this is like a special different goggles, because they're the Stormtrooper kind or whatever for Empire, and I guess they didn't give out free lenses for those, so yeah. But putting it back together, I'm not really going to show you because it's the same technique except reverse, but they're really easy to clean, I think. Yeah, not much else about them. The straps on the back are really nice. I'd say the goggles they're pretty big. They could fit from a person 5'5" to about 6'6" or something. It's pretty big for the face compared to most lenses, but still, I guess little kids could use it if they wanted to, or whatever. Yeah, that's about it. Just subscribe to me, ask me questions. I'm gonna take some pictures, I'll put them at the end of this video. Yeah, that's about it. Just remember that which side goes with which, because they labeled them all nice. So R for right, L for left. They even say it right there. There's an R. There's an L on that one. So yeah. Well, that's about it. Thanks.